Hi everyone, this is the lesson 2, and in this lesson we'll explore the layout of the Orange tool and how to use the existing datasets and importing the new dataset from the external site. First of all, you will open the Kaggle website. This is one of the data set company, and you can just open this Kaggle because I already have account in it, so you can just simply create a new account and then you can sign in. And after that you can see here we have a lot of sections, and here we have the dataset section. Okay, in the dataset sections you will see the trending datasets are available, and some universities and the colleges dataset is available, and some other stuff is also available here. So for example, because we are working on the cybersecurity datasets, so if you will open the cybersecurity datasets, okay, so 134 datasets are available in this website. So you can just select anyone and you can test these datasets and analyze the data by using the Orange tool. So for example, I'm just showing the one example how you will download the dataset and how you will use that in the Orange tool. Okay, for example, here we have the cybersecurity attacks. Okay, so the cyber security attacks, and this it has the 40,000 records. Okay, so we will use this data set. If you just little bit scroll down, so these are all the attacks. The record is available in this data set. Okay, so what we will do, we will just simply download the CSV file. Okay, if you will click on this, then you have the link for the downloading here as well, and you have the link of the downloading here as well. Okay, so you can just simply click on this download button and then your data will be downloaded for further use. Okay, so if I am opening this section, then you can see it has two files. One is the README and the other one is the cybersecurity CSV file. Okay, so this is available for further usage. Yeah, this is the Orange dataset tool, and if you will see here, you will get the different links like the CSV file import and the file, and these are section is providing the details of for the data, and where you have the data table, pane data, CSV file import, and the datasets section and save data. And then we have some other section as well. Okay, like for transformations, like for visualization, these are the models available, and these are the evaluation tools, and this is some data is available, and the options are available for unsupervised methods. So for example, first of all, I will just drag and drop this file. Okay, here if you will just open this file, and then you can see the different types of the data which is available in this Orange tool that will be open for you here. Okay, and you can also change the data sets, okay, which are available here. For example, how many data sets are downloaded with this Orange tool. There's a Eris data set, okay, there's a Titanic data set, there's a housing data set, There's a heart disease data set, there's a brown selected tab, and this is the zoo data set. Okay, so first of all, for example, I am opening the dataset Aries dataset. Okay, and you can just close this, and now you can see, if you will just add the one data table with it, and then you can just simply link this file with the data table. So, and then you can open your data table. So see, the available data set, which is Aries, that is available here for you. Okay, these are the different columns and these are the different rows. The complete data set is available for your review. And for example, if I will go to the file again, and then I will change the data set, Titanic data set. Okay, and then I will just close this section and then open the table, and this time you can see, okay, the different types of data is available related to your Titanic data set. Okay, where the status of the passenger and the survived data is available, their age and their the other status will be here. So you can easily change any existing data set from here. This is the housing data set, for example, and you can also open this data set. Just double click on the table and you can see these all the columns and the rows are available for this housing data set. And some other data sets are available here. For the zoo data set, yeah, this is for the zoo data set. You can open the zoo data set. Yeah, this is all about the different types and the attributes of this data sets are available here. Okay, so now the next step is that how you will import the downloaded data set, okay, which we already downloaded. You can just open the CSV file and remove, yeah, and then you can just open this and then browse from your computer. Or for example, my data set is available, which I downloaded, that is available in the download section. Okay, so here I have, for example, yeah, this is the data set. You can just import this data set. Okay, and then you can just press OK, and this data set is available here now. Thank you so much. See you in next lesson.